So today I'm going to show you how to tie your guy lines up. We don't like them flapping around, so this is what I do. Your tensioner that you have on your tent, your guy line, move it all the way to the end. Just put your hand on your guy line a few inches down from the top, wrap it around. Do it to the left with about 10 inches ish, 8 inches ish of guy line, as so. Then you want to get this and wrap it around the guy line tight. Do that a few times. Put your thumb in, go over your thumb, take your thumb out, and you'll see a loop which has been created by your thumb. Put your toggle, your tensioner, your lock, whatever you want to call it, through there, and then pull it tight. And that's it there. So to get it out, you'll just pull it as you do, and you'll end up with a knot there. Take the knot out. Done.